Arc Raiders is effectively defunct as of November 2025. The primary reason you can't install updates or patches is because Embark Studios dissolved shortly after the game's release in September 2022 due to severe technical issues and negative player reception. The game's servers were shut down, meaning there is no back-end infrastructure to support patch installations. Common errors players experienced included patch installation failed or file corruption, initially caused by server overloads and a flawed update system. Without active servers or developer support, legitimate patch installations are impossible. Even if you still own Arc Raiders, attempting to update it will likely result in perpetual errors. Patch installation mechanics rely on client-server synchronization. Since the servers are gone, no updates can be applied. In the past, errors were often related to checksum mismatches, where downloaded files didn't match the server's verification hashes, leading to installation failures. Dependency issues arose when patches required previous updates that hadn't installed properly, creating a chain of failures. Conflicts with anti-cheat software like BattleEye exacerbated these problems, as integration flaws caused additional errors during updates. While some unofficial community patches or workarounds may exist on forums like Reddit, these are unsupported, risky, and unlikely to fully restore the game. Due to the game's abandonment by Embark Studios, there is no official or reliable way to fix patch errors and play a functional version of Arc Raiders.